Oh, hello. Excuse me, I'm on the phone at the moment, okay? So if you could just hang on 1 second, I'm on the phone. Notice the preposition there. I'm not in the phone, I'm on the phone. Okay, just 1 second. Sorry, I've got to hang up. I'm sorry, I'm on the television at the moment. So, yeah, okay, I'll speak to you later, yeah? Okay, bye. Okay, I've just put the phone down. I've put the phone down, yeah? This is to pick up the phone, descolgar, and to put the phone down, yeah? So I'm sorry about that. That was my bank manager. I needed to sort out a few things. But today, as you can see, we're going to look at telephones, yeah? So we have lots of verbs, lots of different expressions that we can use, for example, and the most important thing is to be on the phone, not to be in the phone, yeah? I'm on the phone, yeah? Now, this part of the phone here is called the receiver, okay? This is the receiver. Or you can also call it the handset, yeah? So you speak into this part and listen with this part, yeah? I've just put the phone down right a minute. Okay, fine. Now, I'm going to make a phone call now, live on television. I'm going to make a phone call. So I'm going to pick up the phone, pick up the receiver, and then I'm going to dial the number, okay? So I'm dialing, the verb to dial, the number, okay? There, okay. Now I'm just waiting for it to ring, and, oh, no, it's engaged, okay? The line is busy, comunicando, yeah? The line is busy, it's engaged. So I'll have to call back later, yeah? I'll call back later because at the moment the line is busy or the line is engaged. Engaged in el Reino Unido, yeah? Okay, you said comunicando, no? Muy bien. Okay, so, oh, hang on a second. So my phone is on silence at the moment, but it's vibrating. So I need to take this phone call. It's very important. So I'm just going to, hello? Hello? Okay, yeah. What? Sorry. A pizza? No. This is Aprende Inglés television. I think you've got the wrong number. You've got the wrong number, yeah? No, we don't do tortillas. No, we don't do... Yes, it's Aprende Inglés. Okay, sorry about that. You got the wrong number. Okay, bye-bye. Right. So there's another expression there, to get the wrong number, yeah? To dial the wrong number. It happens all the time, doesn't it? To get the wrong number. So, good. So we have lots of vocabulary to look at. We have to dial, for example. We have the handset, we have the receiver, and here I have a telephone book, a guía telefónica, a telephone book. Yeah? So occasionally you'll have to look up something in the telephone book, yeah? To look up something in the telephone book, yeah? So, guía telefónica, telephone book. Okay, so lots of other expressions as well. We don't always say to give me a call. You can say to give me a ring, for example. So give me a call, give me a ring. And sometimes in England we say to give me a bell as well. To give me a bell, yeah? So to give me a call, give me a ring, or to give me a bell, yeah? Okay, now we have lots of different models here, yeah? We have some very old-fashioned models, yeah? Because of course nowadays everything is mobile, but here we have some fixed, well, we don't actually say fixed line, we say landline, yeah? A landline. So all these telephones are landlines. And in fact, this one here, the red telephone, has a real dial, a dial. So that's why we say to dial a number, even though you have a keypad. A keypad. If I get out my phone again, this is a keypad, yeah? A keypad. We still say to dial a number, yeah? But here, on this one, you can see we have a real dial here. So to dial a number, yeah? So I'm going to put that down at the moment. We have this part of the television is the cord, and of course, if we go over to this one here, this is a cordless telephone. It has no cord, cordless telephone. So plenty of vocabulary here. And also, tonos de llamada, por ejemplo, another word we use. Ringtones. Ringtones are very popular nowadays. So let's test you now, shall I? What is this? What is this? A ver. Okay, the handset or the receiver. Handset or the receiver. Okay, what is this part called? What's this called? Any idea? Keypad, the keypad, okay? And for example, if the line is comunicando, how do you say that? Okay, very good. It's either engaged or busy. Engaged or busy. Oh God, I think I've got another call coming in. 1 second. Okay, that's all I have time for, I'm sorry. Take care, bye-bye.